All right, here we've got problem 3. We've got x squared minus 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 6x plus 9 divided by x squared minus 1 over x plus 3. We're going to change it to multiplication. Okay, so we're going to write the first fraction the same, x squared minus 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 6x plus 9 times, we're going to flip the top part of the fraction with the bottom, so x plus 3 over x squared minus 1. All right, so this quadratic here is a perfect square trinomial, which factors into x minus 1 squared, which would be x minus 1 times x minus 1. This here is just a binomial that we can't factor, so we'll just keep multiplying across times x plus 3. On the bottom here, x squared plus 6x plus 9, that is a perfect square trinomial. That's x plus 3 squared, so x plus 3 times x plus 3. And then over here, x squared minus 1 is a difference of squares, which factors into x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now, if you want a deeper dive on factoring perfect square trinomials or a difference of squares, comment in the comments below. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel out common binomial factors. So x plus 3 here cancels with x plus 3, and x minus 1 here cancels with x minus 1. So what are we left with? On top, we're left with x minus 1. I'm going to drop the parentheses because the fraction bar acts as a grouping mechanism anyways. And then I have x plus 3 times x plus 1. So we could leave it like that, or we could multiply across the bottom. Top's going to stay the same, x minus 1. Then we got x times x, which is x squared. X times 1, which is plus 1x. 3 times x, which is plus 3x. And 3 times 1, which is plus 3. If we want to combine our like terms, still have x minus 1 on top, but we can add 1x plus 3x to get 4x, so the bottom becomes x squared plus 4x plus 3. So either this for our solution, or if we want to leave it in factored form, here we go. Either one works. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give a like and subscribe and share the video to someone who might also find it useful. Thanks. Bye.